Today, I will be showing you how to make Lego refrigerator here on this side. So first, you will need some white concrete. Then you will put those white concrete like this. Then you will need blue stone block to put here. Then you will need this wood baron. This wood baron to put here. So we will put together. Oh. Then we'll put here. There. So that's how you make Lego. Not Lego. So here's how you make refrigerator in multicraft. So that's it, guys. Then you will put your empty bucket over there. Oops. Doesn't like to shoot, guys. So that's how you make That's how you make a Lego refrigerator. So, bye!